Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with 12th Standard English, Unit 3, Prose, 3rd lesson, in celebration of being alive by Dr. Christian Barnard, book back exercises. Let's move on to page 71. We shall see the vocabulary. First, A. Go through the lesson and spot the words which mean the same. Okay. First one, profession. In paragraph 1, we have career. Profession means career. Sorrowful. In paragraph 2, we have gloomy. Decency. Paragraph 5, we have nobility. Destiny. Fate. Fifth one, hijacked. That means commandeered. Sixth one, motivation. Means encouragement. Seventh one, serious. Meaning severe. Eighth one, significant. That means important. Now moving on to B. Go through the lesson and spot the words which are opposite to the meaning of the following. First one, rare. Prevalent. Rare opposite, prevalent. Second one, primitive. Opposite, sophisticated. Third one, fiction. Opposite, fat. Fourth one, fearful. Opposite, intrepid. Fifth one, benign. Opposite, malignant. Sixth one, diffidence. Opposite, hope. Seventh one, boredom. Opposite, pleasure. Eighth one, criticize. Opposite, appreciate. Moving on to C, turn to next page 72. Frame illustrative sentences to distinguish the meaning of the words in the following clusters. See, cluster of words you see, there are 3 words. First one, career, carrier, courier. A, you should make sentence with all these 3 words. Okay. A, we should be careful in choosing our career. Second one, my cycle has a carrier behind the seat, you know. C, I send the parcel through courier. Moving on to second one, patients, patents. A, nurses look after the patients in the hospital. B, Geeta is known for her patience. Then C, scientists get patients before they create something new. Patent means what? They get the right, the authority. Okay. Before they create something new. Moving on to third one, that is accident, incident, incidents. First one, A, my friend met with an accident. B, the roads were sealed off because of some major incident. C, there's still a high incidence of malaria in the area. Moving on to fourth one, scraping, scrapping, scrubbing. A, the scrapings of the apples cut are found on the table. B, there is talk of scrapping the age limit to altogether. C, the floor needs scrubbing, that means cleaning. Fifth one, accept, expect. A, she accepts the new post. B, everybody attended the class except Sundar. C, we expect to get the results on Monday. Moving on to sixth one, lesson. A, we should be thorough with the lesson before the exam. B, this medicine will lessen the pain. C, there is a close liaison between the army and the police. Seventh one, severe, sewer. A, Radha suffers from severe stomach ache. B, the trunk of the tree was severed, that means cut by the woodcutter. C, the sewer is under repair. Moving on to eighth one, rise. A, David raised his hands to join the competition. B, the sun rises in the east. Third, C, you see. Rice is the staple food of South Indians. Ninth one, quit. A, the teacher asked the students to keep quiet. B. I saw quite a big snake. C. He decided to quit the job. Moving on to last one. Final, finale, fell in. A. The painter was giving the final touch. B. The competitors were getting ready for the finale. C. She moves with a felling grace. Moving on to the next exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. Okay. First one. Theatrical plays were a main source of amusement before the advent of television. Second one. The intrepid warriors of the Spartan army marched into battle against a powerful enemy. Next one, you see the agony of parents finally came to an end when their lost child was found with the help of police. And next one, you see social media has brought about a profound impact on the lives of millennials. Then we see fifth one, the tires of the car got perforated. That means holes are there. When the vehicle rolled over the rusted nails scattered on the road. Moving on to sixth one, Thomas Alva Edison did not lose the confidence even after facing a series of experimental failures in his quest to discover tungsten. Seventh one, many victims of the pipeline explosion in an oil refinery were left permanently disfigured. They were affected, okay, permanently. Eighth one, the old lady found solace in the company of the children in the neighborhood. Solace means what? Comfort. Moving on to the exercise E. Form a phrase with each of the following pairs of nouns given. Okay. You have to form muscle plus pain. See, muscle is a fiber. Fiber plus tissue plus pain. Muscular pain. Skeleton plus system. Skeletal system. Third one, nerve plus disorder. Nervous disorder. Fourth one, digestion plus enzymes. Digestive enzymes. Fifth one, surgery plus instruments. Surgical instruments. Sixth one, agony plus experience. Agonizing experience. Seventh one, glory plus victory. Glorious victory. Eighth one, fancy plus idea. Fanciful idea. Ninth one, emotion plus song. Emotional song. 10th one, sense plus issue. Sensitive issue. Dear students, move to next page, page 73. Fill the empty boxes with suitable words under each word class. The word classes are given as noun, verb, adjective and adverb. Right? First one. Amusement is noun form. Verb is amuse. Adjective amusement. Adverb amusingly. Second one. Appreciation is noun form. Appreciate verb. Appreciable adjective. Appreciably adverb. Next one. Success noun. Succeed verb. Successful adjective. Successfully adverb. Noun for noun. Pride verb. Also pride. Adjective proud. Then adverb proudly. Moving on to next one. Hope noun. Verb also hope. Adjective hopeful. Adverb hopefully. So dear students, it is time. So we shall wind up the class now and we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.